Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unbagging our August Ipsy bag. If you are interested in seeing what we got in this month's bag, you're in the right place. Just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am eager to dig in and see what we got in our bag. I did technically already open it because I had to do some research on the product so I could get a overall value for the bag. But today I have my daughter Hannah here who is going to be helping me. So Hannah, I will give you the honors.
Bag. It's a bag. It has,
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's a bag. It has orange and yellow. There's a little zippy
Very
thingy.
summery.
Yep.
Hannah usually ends up getting the bags if she likes them. Okay, so the first product we have is a blush highlighter brush from Crown. It is the CB106 brush. It values at $7.95. You can use it for powder or creams, and it's actually really diverse because of the shape. You can actually use this for a multitude of things. You can use it for blush in the hollows of your cheeks for contour, or even on the high points of your face for highlighter. So that is a nice brush. What else do we have? Okay. The next thing is from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. It is a bronzer in the shade Skinny Dip. And this is actually a full size. This retails for $14. And it is a shimmer bronzer. It is baked and it's supposed to be lightweight and long wearing. You can build this, you can apply it lightly for just a light flush of color, or you can build it up to get a very sun-kissed bronze look. Okay, the next product we have is from Oribe, and that is a very, very good hair care line. Now, the full size of this is 3.4 ounces, and it retails for $42, and I guess I should tell you what it is. It is the Matte Waves Texture Lotion. So you're supposed to apply this to damp hair, and it just adds pieciness and texture, and you're supposed to let your hair air dry, and it gives you kind of that beachy wave look, which would have been nice for today because I actually like that look quite often. So I won't be able to try this out today, but I will be anxious to try this. And the value of that, if I didn't mention that Oribe, the value of the sample is $6.18. Okay, the next thing that we have is from Kaleido Cosmetics, and this is the first time I've ever gotten anything from this brand. This is a skin blush in the shade Prima Donna. It is a shimmery rosy pink shade. This is actually a full size as well, and this retails for $8. Now, it has a mirror in the compact as well, but as you can tell, it's just a nice everyday pink shade that you can wear with just about any look. So this is a talc-free, 100% plant-based brand. And what I thought was interesting about this on the website is that it is made to order in small batches. So the processing of your order can take anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks. But that is the reason. I just thought that was cool. Alright. We have about one more item. Okay, so we've got a mascara from MAC. This is the False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara, and at first I thought that this was a duplicate from an item that I had received a few months back, but it actually is not. The item that I received and that I featured in one of my empties was the Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara, and I did not like that one. But I haven't tried this one, so I'm anxious to give that a try. It is supposed to be a high drama, mousse-like formula that thickens your lashes. It's supposed to be flake-free, smudge-free, and long-wearing. There is no size on this, so I could not get an accurate value of this product. But for the full size, it retails for $24. So safely I can say this is in the $3-4 range. So if you did the math, the full value of our bag is $36.13 without the mascara value, and I'm gonna say about $40 with. So you're paying $10 a month for the subscription, and just the products inside value at about $40, and that's not including the little bag that you get. You can cancel at any time. You're not locked in for any set amount of time. So I will have the link for Ipsy down below in the description box just in case you're interested. But I thought it would be fun to just apply some of this and just see how it works. So I do already have makeup on, but we're just going to go for it. I'm going to apply the bronzer because this is a very shimmery bronzer. And I'm just going to use the little brush that they gave us. Do you want me to put some on you?
No.
What about on your eyes?
I don't wear makeup.
So I can definitely, I just wanted to see how it would build up right there. Definitely does build for sure. Let's go ahead and apply it on the other cheek. This would be a very pretty, like, monochromatic look as well if you wanted to apply this to your eyes and your cheeks. Okay. Very bronzy. And we could get a more accurate view if I didn't already have on makeup, but this blush is a little bit powdery. Wonder if that means it's going to be clown-like on me. Woo. Let's just see if we can blend that out. Well, it does blend nicely. I was not expecting it to be that pigmented, but it does, as you can tell, blend very, very well. And it is supposed to be like a natural, it says it's from powder to silk. That's what it said online. And I would agree that that blended in super smooth. I like the brush, it's super duper soft. You just saw me apply it as both a bronzer and a blush, and you could very easily do the tops of your cheeks with this, down the nose, so really like that. Very versatile brush. Now the mascara, I just want to see what this wand looks like. Oh yeah, this is a whole heck of a lot better in terms of the wand than the other. The other one, it was like super like plasticky, hard. It hurt putting it on. Like, I liked the way that it made my lashes look, but it physically hurt to put it on. So we're not gonna be able to tell I've already got mascara on, but I can tell you I like this wand a whole lot better than the other. Okay, so it is super black, I will say that. I can tell that from putting it on. I'm going to give you guys some swatches. Ooh, this blush is super creamy. Ooh, that is pretty. That would even be a pretty eyeshadow shade as well. Bronzer is creamy. Also, alright. So here is the blush and the bronzer, and you guys can see how pigmented and shimmery those are. That was just one swatch in real time. And surprisingly, that bronzer, it doesn't come off that way on your face. Like, it doesn't look crazy. I did apply a lot just because I wanted to see if it would build up. But yeah, even if I wipe it away, like you can see that bronzer really hangs on. The blush, you know, not so much, but that bronzer is there to stay, guys. So overall, I like every single thing I got in the bag this month. At first, I was kind of bummed about the mascara, but then I did some research and found out it was not the same one that I featured in an Empties that I did not really care for. This is a different one, so yeah, I literally love every single item that I got in my bag. I will use every single item. I think it's a big step up from my bag last month even. So, Ipsy continues to be worth it for me. I will stay subscribed until that changes. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already to catch all of my future videos. And we will see you later. Bye, guys.
Bye.